Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted chats on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram and click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. Then you simply need to click on three bars on the top right. Okay, here you need to click on your activity, scroll down, and here you can see download your information. Click on that option. Click on request a download. Here you need to select your account. So I'm going to select this Instagram. Click on next. So here you can see complete copy. Select type of information. Click on that. So I want messages only. So you simply need to select messages. Click on next and click on submit request. So here you can see when your file is ready, you will have 4 days to download your information from this page. Download your file is a password protected process that only you have access. Okay, so then you simply need to go back and you will have the complete file in your Gmail. So Instagram send you on the Gmail. So it will take, so here you can see that, and after that you need to download this file from here. And here you can see for security reason they are only available to download for 4 days, so make sure you download in 4 days. So this is the process by which you can recover your deleted chats on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.